Modern vehicles built after 2015 use sophisticated electronic sensors to monitor your washer fluid levels. Understanding how these systems work can save you time and money. These vehicles use various types of electronic sensors, including capacitive, ultrasonic, and traditional float sensors, to accurately detect fluid levels in the reservoir. The warning light typically activates when your washer fluid drops below 25% capacity. This gives you plenty of time to refill before running completely empty. You can reset this warning light yourself without any special scanner tools. The process is straightforward and takes just a few minutes. First, locate your washer fluid reservoir. Look for a container with a blue or white cap marked with a windshield and water symbol, typically located in the front of the engine bay. Next, fill the reservoir with the appropriate washer fluid up to the max line. Never overfill, as this can cause sensor malfunctions and fluid overflow. After filling, wait 30 to 60 seconds for the sensor to recognize the new fluid level. Then cycle the ignition by turning the key or start button off and back on without starting the engine. Finally, test the system by activating your windshield washers. Check for proper spray pattern and verify that the warning light has turned off. Your system should now work normally. This simple process successfully resets the washer fluid warning light in most modern vehicles without requiring any special diagnostic tools. When basic refilling doesn't clear the warning light, try a manual sensor reset. This method works for most persistent warning issues. First, disconnect the car battery's negative terminal for 10 to 15 minutes. This clears the vehicle's computer memory and resets all warning systems. While the battery is disconnected, refill the washer fluid reservoir to the maximum line. Use only manufacturer-specified washer fluid for best results. Reconnect the battery and start the engine. Let it idle for 2 to 3 minutes to allow the system to initialize and recognize the new fluid level. For newer vehicles with digital systems, an advanced reset sequence may be required. This method works specifically for cars with electronic instrument clusters. Insert the key and turn to the on position without starting the engine. Press and hold the trip odometer reset button while cycling the ignition from off to on. If warning lights persist after these reset methods, the issue may be contaminated sensors, incorrect fluid type, or sensor malfunction requiring further troubleshooting. Contaminated sensors are a frequent cause of persistent warnings. Clean the sensor with isopropyl alcohol using a soft cloth or cotton swab to remove debris and buildup. Using incorrect fluid type can cause sensor malfunction. Always use manufacturer-specified washer fluid that matches your vehicle's requirements and climate conditions. If these methods don't resolve the issue, the sensor itself may be malfunctioning. This typically requires professional diagnosis and potential sensor replacement by a qualified technician.